So I'd like to show you how to draw the flower of life, and I'll be using the flower of life in a future video to make another really cool design. There's a lot of designs we can use. It's really a builder's and designer's dream. When we do this, we want to make sure we can go, 1, 2, 3, at least 3, even 4 compass lengths on your paper, or you'll run out of room. And once you adjust your compass, you're not going to move it, so you're going to want it to stay that same amount. Now, as always, you want to make sure that your compass and your point are about the same length, and start, as always, with a circle. As we make everything with circles, it helped me to name my channel The Circle Made It, because the circles help us to create, and it was a symbol of the creator, and still is in many situations and cultures. So we start with a circle. We put the point on the edge of the circle so that the pen will now be facing or touching the center. You want to position it, straight on top, and you'll draw a second circle. Where the two intersect here, we're going to draw another. And we're going to keep doing that all the way around. And this is what we would call the seed of life. It's sort of the first layer or row. We have one circle and 6 fit perfectly. So now we're going to go to where they intersect, and we're going to draw another circle. And we want to position our compass carefully. We want to be accurate. Your compass moves, or you don't place it carefully, circles will start to get a little bit out of position, and it'll add up and you'll mess up your drawing. So now we have another 6, but we wanted 12. We want to double it. So now here, where we have the intersections, we're going to put our compass point. So now we want to put a circle around it. And then we're going to finish making the little seed parts. Actually, we could do that first. So what we can do is we can go to each intersection, and we're going to go from the edge of the circle to the other edge. We're not going to make a full circle. We're going to make half. So we'll go to each intersection, and as you see, it'll finish the seeds. Now, as we're going, we can see here a marking. So we can go there, finish the seed. We'll go here. Now we're going to draw a circle around it. The way we do that is we go back to the center and we adjust the compass to the very edge of any of the circles. And in real compass drawing, we would do things carefully and slowly. Sometimes when we demonstrate, we're in a rush. We make little mistakes. Now the last step is if we want to finish the seeds that are on the edges here, so we're going to need to find a spot outside of the circle. So the way that we do that, we take this here, make a mark, go to the other side here, and this is going to show us where to put our compass. Put our compass here. Oh, never mind. So the last step is to finish the seeds here and close them off. And so to do that, we're going to have to make an arc here and here and find that spot on the outside of the circle. So I'm going to use a pencil so that I don't have extra markings with white. And so to do this, we need to adjust the circle back to the starting amount for our pencil. And then we're going to go to this edge here, make a mark, and then this edge here, make a mark. And that's where we're going to put our compass. And so we're going to do that all the way around. So let me show you. I'll stop at 3 and then we'll keep going. We're going to put the compass here. It's the same size as the original circle. And we're going to close the seed. We're going to put it here. Close the seed. We'll put it here where they intersect. Close the seed. So let's continue. So now we've completed the flower of life. And now in a future video, I'm going to show how as we build this, we can connect the dots and make some pretty cool designs.